When was the first time you heard about AI? Stay with me if you want to know what AI represents and what it stands for. Welcome to the Universe Rewired channel. What we call AI today is a scientific innovation, a technology innovation that has gone through a series of transformation. It has not started today. Oh yeah, very well. Let me now surprise you that AI has been here for longer than you have thought about it. Since the 1950s, scientists have consistently researched on how to execute repetitive tasks, and this has led to automation. Over years, the biggest disadvantage of computers has been the inability to think for themselves. Or yes, they have to rely on human intervention. What if someone had to flip a switch in order for you to sleep? And what if someone had to flip another switch for us to eat? You can imagine the chaos when people are hungry, but they can't get themselves to eat. Such are computers. Imagine what a child has to bear when they are hungry and they have to wait for someone to feed them. However critical the situation is, the child just can't help themselves. If you were a little bit older, people would call you insane, reckless, careless if you did not respond to a critical situation. But who can say that to a child? Not even to a computer. Computers respond to circumstances as they have been programmed. They only do what they have been instructed. If a certain case scenario has not been programmed into them, they will not respond. They will not act on that situation. You will catch a fire as they are watching. Your computer will not stop you from shutting it down, even when there are critical services running on it, if it was not instructed to stop the action. It will not even power itself up if you forgot to power it up, maybe after a patching or after an upgrade or after a software installation, and this might get you into trouble. As an Uber driver, I rode 40 kilometers without turning on my Uber driver application. I felt disappointed by the app. How I wish it had felt my pain and started the count. However much I had forgotten to flip the button. Perhaps we have all dreamt of a world where computers would do the thinking for us, just to make our work easier. But within the desire for simplicity, there is an urge to avoid repetition, to avoid doing the same things over and over again. This is the origin of task automation in computers. They must know of the event and how to act towards it. The concept of AI, to a greater extent, solves this intelligence issue in computers using complex code algorithms that customize how computers interpret information. They are usually referred to as neural networks. At this stage, we should all appreciate how computers interpret information in zeros and ones. It's binary data. The computer does not understand our natural language of English or whatever, Spanish or Chinese, but it has a precise interpretation. With every word and figure and letter is a representation of binary data. With the discovery of AI, we are able to use our natural language. For example, doctors can use their language in order to have a computer that thinks like doctors. Same thing for engineers, same thing for teachers, whatever kind of career, accountants, cashiers, they have AI that actually thinks like they think. So it has been customized. Different small tasks have been customized to fulfill and automate a bigger task. So natural language processing is commonly applied and widely utilized in generative and predictive AI. Now, predictive AI is the likes of ChatGPT. They are basically predictive models of AI. and they use more of natural language processing. And from this originates generative AI, where you generate something that is not existent. You generate a new image, you generate new music, you generate a new video from existing data sources, and that is generative AI. It's a complex AI, more complex than predictive AI, where it's a simple chat, you type prompts and then boom, something happens. So AI has advanced that every career and in every industrial sector there is AI. There is an assistant, there is Siri there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more AI videos.